It's Tubey toys. Do you know that Tubey toys are out of this world? Hey Pat, I'm Tubey from Tubey Toys, and today my mom got me this Lego Junior set, and it's incredible. It comes with two minifigures that are included with the set. It comes with Elastigirl with stretchy arms and screensaver, and he has a helicopter. The ages for this 4 to 7, and in 95 pieces. It's called Elastigirl Rooftop Pursuit, number 10759. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Tubey Toys. We got this piece for the helicopter. These pieces can't go off. Here, the instructions. Number 2 pieces. Bag number 2. We got this thing. We got this thing. We got Elastigirl's body with stretchy arms. We got bag number 1. That's it. Okay, now let's start building. Open up the bags. Step 1, okay. Now open up this one. Here's the body, guys. I want to see if her arms go off. Probably no. Yeah.
Dump this out.
Whoa! No. Guys, she does have little arms. You could pull her arms. Look. Whoa! That's so cool. So cool. You could pull her arms like this, and pull them up and down. Now let me I'll finish building the walkie-talkie. Okay. Finish building the walkie-talkie. I need a little bit of help. This is Screensaver. He is really cool. I love his mask, and I love his face. His face is like a vampire face. I don't know why. I thought it would only be the mask there, but it's the head too. I know who Screensaver is. I won't give it away because that's a spoiler. This is how you open it. Or you could get it an easier way by climbing up here and then going through the chair. Wow, I just broke the pigs on! Now, I'm not going to listen to this instruction because I already know where this goes. We're all done building the helicopter! I'm going to take down the incredible city. You know his body fell off. This is incredible. You can go on your motorcycle. Thanks. Whoa! Your hair! Oh!
Subscribe to Tubey Toys.
Good.
Ooh.
A computer.
Oh my God.
It's a computer.
That is so cute.
I never seen a Lego computer before. Oh, I found it! high-speed slaver, you won't be able to catch me because you have a helicopter. But this before, oh no, I'm all out of gas. I can't even get gas. What? I'm going to my house. No, I don't even have a house. I could get gas. Got some gas. Now I could fly. Okay, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tubey Toy. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. This spins, and there's so much parts that move like this. And here's the computer. It's really cute, the computer. It has like little buttons, but they don't really work, the buttons. Look at her Elastigirl billboard. It's over here. And look at the instructions. It has Violet Dash, Mr. Incredible. Oh my god, Mr. Incredible was cool. A Violet Dash, Mr. Incredible, Baby Jack and Mrs. Incredible right over here. Should I get the level game? Let me know in the comments below. I really want that game because I saw on YouTube. This is so cool. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Tubey Toys. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Hypnotizing. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.